Hi guys, this will be our first beta test for our day trading live room. Moving forward, I might do more of this kind of day trading live room, right? To simply walk you through some of the process and how we actually day trade the forex market. So this is the very first video, so I won't be recording the full session of which we're gonna day trade, but it's really just the whole intention here is just to beta test and to get some feedback as to whether you guys are keen to join us in the live room moving forward. All right, so as usual, all right, whether is it a longer term, weekly analysis or even a daily analysis, it's always important to look out for what's happening in the risk event for the day itself and moving forward. Okay, so a quick outlook as to what happened in the Asian market. We have positive news coming in from China. CPI and PPI both beat expectation. Pretty not very impressive, all right, but it's still better than the estimates. Pound itself is bad, all right. Pretty bad because it drops below the negative territory. Especially for manufacturing production, right? This adds to the further bearish momentum on pound itself. Right, positive data from China actually gives some relief from Aussie as well as perhaps Kiwi. But Kiwi this week itself, the main focus will be on Thursday, right? With RBNZ expectation coming in of cutting rates. Later on at 8:30, we'll have US prelim non-farm productivity as well as unit labor costs. Not those important, not a very important kind of data. But having said that, definitely is still gonna move the market a little bit, especially when we are doing day trading. Right, this is gonna come in at 8:30. Current time in Singapore is 7:45, 15 minutes to the US market open. Right, so with that, let me go over to the charts itself. For day trading, we won't be looking out, on all 28 currency pairs because we won't have that focus that we need to especially day trade itself. And of course, when we do day trading, as the term suggests, all right, we actually open position and close within the day itself. When I mean within the day, it's actually within the US trading session. All right, so moving forward, I'll be trading from 8 p.m. Singapore time to 11 p.m. Singapore time. All right, that will be in 8 in the morning in New York to 11 in the morning. All right, so simply trading the US open session. And having said that, I'll be mainly looking at only 6 currency pairs: Euro dollar, Pound dollar, dollar yen, dollar CAD, as well as Aussie and Kiwi itself. All right, but the strategies that I'm going to be adopting is very similar to the strategies that I use for my swing and positions trade. All right, so basically, for those who are familiar, we use structure 1, 2, 3, 4, divergence setup, as well as price action in terms of advanced price patterns. All right, and we use a lot of Fibonacci. All right, so let me walk you through some of the potential setups that I'm looking at right now. 15-minute time frame is my higher time frame for day trading. M5, which is 5-minute, will be my trading time frame. So if I look at the 15-minute time frame, what I'm seeing in euro dollar is currently in a range environment. Having said that, I'm not looking. Is that not that I'm not looking, but there's no potential pattern setting up. All right, but what I have is if I drop down to a lower time frame, I do have a 1, 2, 3, 4 setting up over here. All right, my key area of interest will be around the 1.1085 to 1.109. All right, current price is at 1.108. Right, so it's not a huge, all right, even though if you look at this, the movement is huge, but because it's on a 5-minute time frame, this is actually less than 10 pips away. All right, so I'll be waiting for the US Open to take any positions. Right now, I'm doing a pre-trading preparation for my day trading itself. All right, just identify key areas of which I'll be looking out for. All right, I won't jump onto the ship right now. Simply highlighting areas that I will be looking to trade for this session. All right, so euro dollar, I'll be looking to sell. Should price comes back up between this zone at 1.109 and 1.1085. Pound dollar, right? Interesting. We have two potential setups. Again, looking at a higher time frame, is currently going down. All right. This is due to because of the manufacturing production coming in negative 0.3. Right, pushing pound momentum further downwards. We do have two potential setups having here. The first one is actually a shark pattern, right? Which is this, right? It competes at this area, all right, around the 1.3037, right? It's quite a huge move upwards. Highly unlikely you're gonna go up, right? It's about 65 pips movement. But having said that, we do have another setup on a smaller time frame. All right, let me just clear off my triangles. All right, on the smaller time frame, we do have one. Currently, as of now, it's still valid. All right, but when market open, price might just break lower. But as of now, we do have a potential bad pattern forming. Right, a bearish one as well, right? For pound dollar, even though it's day trading, I'm only looking to sell into it, because the European session, the sentiment and the momentum is still bearish on pound. Right, so this is a very nice number because it's coming in at 1.3, all right, even handle. But having said that, it's still 30 pips away from current price. We have to just wait and see if price comes back up to give us any opportunity to trade. All right, that's for you on pound dollar. Dollar yen, interesting. On higher time frame is ranging, all right, but this morning, I would say this morning, all right, during the European session, there's a breakout to the downside, all right, and on the lower time frame, I'm looking for a pullback towards 102.3 towards 102.35, this region, to look for any shorting opportunities. All right, if I look left, there are some nice structure on my trading time frame as well, 5 minutes. But if I go to the higher time frame, I do have another setup. All right, this is a pattern setup, which is a cipher. All right, completing at the 786 retracement around the 102.55. All right, but having said that, day trading, I'm looking now at 5 minutes. I'll be looking for this level. If this level is breached, I'll be looking for the next level to take a short opportunity. All right, I'm looking for shorting this simply because for today, it has broken below the range itself. So today's sentiment and bias for me on dollar yen will be towards the downside. Next will be dollar CAD. All right, dollar CAD, if you look at 15 minutes, is still in a range environment. On this time frame, we do have a pretty nice setup. All right, this is actually also a cipher pattern setting up over here. All right, completion will be at the 1.3180. Just about 25 pips as of now. All right, so high chance we can potentially take a short opportunity over here, but again, no rush. We'll be waiting for price to come up towards this level. All right, that's for dollar CAD. Aussie dollar, all right, we are seeing on 15 minutes, all right, this huge move was a relief rally after that. All right, this down move was when the China news was released, but they made immediate reversal as of the day itself and even make a new high for today. All right, so on the lower time frame, I'm spotting a potential structure trade. All right, price is currently already testing this structure level. All right, but sticking to my plan. I'm not going to enter until the US market is open to look at price action. So as of now, I'm simply monitoring. All right, the next level is over here at the 76.40. All right, this is actually a divergence setup. Over here we have a divergence. All right, and that level itself, it will be a retracement towards the divergence. All right, and if you look into Fibonacci, it's actually 61.8 retracement. All right, so two key levels to look out for in Aussie dollar. And for Kiwi dollar, all right, interesting. Again, very similar to Aussie dollar. What we have over here is a divergence. All right, coupled together with price breaking higher. 15-minute time frame is not much. All right, it's still in a range environment. But if I'm trading on my day trading time frame, I'm looking at structure over here for this potential setup. Again, waiting for the US market open to see for any potential price action coming in. And of course, on the lower price level, that's where I have 61.8 retracement coming in from my divergence setup, right? So two key level to look out for New Zealand. The Kiwi will be 0.7135 and 0.7125, right? 10 pips away from each level. So that's about it, all right? That's some of the thought process and how I prepare for my day trading going into the US session. All right, things might change as according to when market move. So do not take this as, signals and then you straight away put your pending order, because on day trading, I'll be looking for price action and confirmation itself. All right, so do drop me some of your comments and suggestions as to whether you like this kind of live trading moving forward. Of course, this recording is more towards just sharing with you my preparation. But it's really, as I share with you, the intention for me is to beta test, to get some feedback as to whether you guys actually enjoy such session, because moving forward we'll be doing this almost regularly from Tuesday to Friday on a weekly basis. All right, once again, no guaranteed, just part of our plan to do that. All right, so with that, feel do drop your comments, suggestions below in this video, and of course like and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you soon.